In this video, I'll show you the setup for recording top-down videos, horizontal videos and vertical videos. Let's get started and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. So I'm going to give this product link in the video description. So this is the table arm which comes on which we can fix our cell phone or compact camera, where you can use it for recording top-down videos. So along with this, you get the table clamp. You also get this rotating head to mount your cell phone or a camera, and you also get a cell phone holder to connect as well. And you get this small screw. This is the most important component for you to get this complete setup done. Now let me show you how to fix this. So if you are having a DSLR camera, then I'm going to tell in this video if this is suitable for the DSLR camera or not, because usually DSLR cameras will be heavy. I'm going to show you whether this is suitable for that or not. So make sure you're going to watch till the end. So this is how you can mount your cell phone to record top-down videos, and again you can rotate it, right? You can adjust the angle using the rotating head that is there. Okay, so this is very comfortable for recording any art and craft videos. Now let me show you how to connect a compact or a mirrorless camera. So this is the mirrorless camera that I'm using right now. So this is comparatively smaller size compared to DSLR. Towards the end, I'm going to tell you whether this is suitable for DSLR or not. Okay, so this is the mirrorless M50 camera that I'm trying to connect right now. Okay, so again I see it's very stable for this as well, so very good for compact cameras. So with this setup you can record both horizontal and vertical videos. So again you can rotate to whatever angle you want. With this mirrorless camera also, it is very stable and it is very comfortable to use. Now I have been using this for quite few days and I feel comfortable with this. Again, if you want to record top down also, again you can just rotate the head and you'll be able to record top down videos as well. So even in this portion it is still comfortable and pretty good as well, and you can also move as needed. Now let me tell you if this table arm is suitable for normal DSLR camera, because usually normal DSLR cameras will be heavy. Okay, so I'm just going to try to connect this and show you if this is suitable or not. So now the setup is almost complete. So let me show you whether this is stable or not for DSLR. So in this angle it's pretty stable if you want to sit in front and record the videos. Let me show you top down. Initially I felt that okay, this is going to be a bit heavier for this table arm, but again I felt that this is pretty comfortable. Okay, so there are many products available which starts from the price range of around 700, but the quality may be not so good. I have given the good quality link in the video description. Certainly you can check that out as well. Also, if you want to set up your camera for recording live streams or recording educational videos, again this table arm is of great help. Click on the info link to watch a complete video on the studio setup, and if you have any questions just comment below, I'll be happy to answer.